Now they break like fucking peasants! Beautiful!
Run him down, run him down.
Fuck yeah, Run him down.
Very nice.
Very low loss.
Oh wait, did one of them transform into a chaos spawn?
Maybe.
I think so. It's possible.
It is very possible with my faction. If
Yeah,
I
yeah,
if I
you did get
kill
one.
a unit, they turn into
Fuck.
a chaos spawn.
Yeah.
I'm out of faith.
It's a very low chance though.
This is a
Yeah,
catastrophe.
Bellicor has the same perk too, but yeah, it is a pretty low chance.
Does Bellicor have the same perk?
Yeah,
I know Skulltaker does. Oh no,
Yep,
Arbol.
Bellicor has
Arbol
it
does,
too.
sorry. Arbol has the one where he can turn them into corn spawn, I'm pretty sure. Remember, that was easy.
yeah. Last game I made a few chaos spawns out of balance. It was nice.
The Beastmen rise again.
This will be good. The Minotaur army. That's what I will enjoy seeing.
Minotaur? I don't get burst off of Minotaurs. Well, I don't
Oh,
know
are you
Minotaurs,
more
but-
mutated? Like more mutated spawns and shit?
Yeah, I get +4 unit capacity for Chaos Spawn.
Alright.
The one thing that I don't like about Beastmen though is you can only have one army. Well, not one army, but it takes a while for you to get another one.
I'm kind of done. I don't got much to do.
Then we'll
I
give
love
him
autistic.
that.
That was very nice of Draco and Valorant and Sorello. That was awesome. Thank you guys again for the lovely gift. I appreciate it. That was fucking awesome. Oh, Mr. Lothar is here.
Maori Tatagio.
Alright. Fuck me.
Uzma, Dak, Saru, Ankor. Rajar. No.
Hey, Rage. I might have to go south. Cause
South of the border.
Mazma.
Yeah.
Sumasta legineras.
This guy, this guy's got some shit. He's by his settlement. I might have to go and take Dragon's Crossroad and then let you fuck with Lothar.
Well, I'm about to head that way next turn.
I'm just letting you know what I'm doing.
I gotcha.
Alright. Alright. It's all we can do. For now. Until the pissing begins. I think Skeldus wants sleepy time. Fuck! There we go. Alright, where did you on a little roll there, Kuella. Lothar disappeared, Rage. Just so you know.
Interesting.
So I'm gonna attack Iron Storm right fucking now. What do you think?
Yeah, I would get that shit as soon as possible.
Alright, next turn.
I was about to, you can't reach it?
Nope.
That's fine, cause I'm going that way anyway, so I can swing by and just reinforce you so you get it.
That's next turn though?
Yeah, next turn.
Alright, that works out perfectly.
Just wait. Yeah, wait for me to move up close enough to it and then attack it.
Alright!
1 second. Alright, let's see here. Bellacore, move up to there. Alright, go ahead and attack it.
Outpost.